Intro. Today we're looking at how Bitcoin shrugged off a disappointing U.S. payrolls report, briefly erased a $113,400 high, and left traders wondering what comes next. The payrolls miss has revived chatter about Fed rate cuts, but the crypto market's reaction so far has been muted, and that tells its own story. The payrolls shock and Fed expectations. The latest U.S. nonfarm payrolls came in at 210,000 jobs added, well below the 303,000 economists had forecast. That shortfall has revived expectations the Federal Reserve may move toward interest rate cuts to support the economy. In normal conditions, softer data like this can be a tailwind for risk assets. But the response from crypto has been anything but straightforward. Bitcoin's price action. Bitcoin's price showed resilience in the face of the data, but it didn't turn the payrolls miss into a sustained rally. A surge that pushed the price up to roughly $113,400 was later erased, leaving the market flat to cautious rather than euphoric. In short, bulls are on the sidelines for now. The asset reacted, but didn't capitalize. Volatility and macro drivers. Recent weeks have been marked by heightened volatility across crypto, with traders reacting quickly to every macro cue. Inflation expectations, central bank messaging, and economic surprises like this payroll print are all feeding short-term swings. That makes for quick intraday moves, but it also makes it harder to read a clear trend. Investor sentiment and spillover from traditional markets. Investor sentiment is split. Some participants view the payrolls miss as a green light for risk-taking if the Fed eases. Others point to lingering uncertainty in traditional markets and prefer to wait on the sidelines. That divide is keeping volume and conviction lower than you'd expect during a clear directional move. Technical picture. From a technical standpoint, the market lacks a definitive signal. Traders are watching for a decisive breakout above resistance levels to confirm a renewed rally, or a breakdown beneath support that could mark the start of a broader pullback. Until one of those scenarios plays out, expect sideways price action punctuated by sharp intraday swings. Closing. In short, the payrolls miss has changed the macro conversation, but not yet the market's behavior. Bitcoin's resilience is notable, but the absence of follow-through from bulls suggests traders are cautious and waiting for clearer cues. We'll keep watching how macro headlines and technical levels interact, because when they finally align, the next big move could come fast.